Imagine carrying cash with you for the very first time in months, and that very same day it gets stolen. You're left thinking, I can't believe this really happened. Moments like this often plant the seed for trauma, not only in the mind but also in the heart, the gut, and the body. My name is Cristodora Buiculescu, and besides being a hypnotherapist and hypnotherapy trainer, I've also been practicing yoga for the past 12 years. The word yoga means union, the mind, the body, and the soul. And that's the inspiration behind the method I'll share with you in Copenhagen. On Sunday, March 8th, from 9 to 10:30 a.m. at the Hypnosis conference, I'll guide a hands-on workship called Immediate Trauma Reset. You will experience how this method integrates rapid hypnosis, EFT, bilateral stimulation, what I call three brains integration, working with the thinking brain, the emotional heart, and the intuitive gut. In this 90 minutes session, you will not only see live demonstrations, you will also practice the sequence yourself. You will discover how to release trauma and somatic stress in minutes, support clients with chronic pain and emotional distress, and reprogram subconscious patterns safely and effectively. This is a practical, experiential workshop created for therapists, coaches, and practitioners who want tools that they can start using right away. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday, March 8th at 9 a.m. in Copenhagen. See you there!